What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to be taking a look at the top dropshipping apps. These are going to be the fulfillment apps you can use with your Shopify store to set up your dropshipping business. So we're going to take a look at the top 5 here today. Make sure you stay to the end of the video as we're going to cover each of them, their pricing, as well as some pros and cons for each. Before we dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor, ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. There's going to be a link in the description to get access to a 15-day free trial. I'm going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's dive into the dropshipping apps now. The first one to take a look at is Deezers. It's going to allow you to do AliExpress dropshipping. Overall, an extremely popular app, and it's just really blown up as one of the go-to ways to do AliExpress dropshipping. Allows you to place orders quickly, find and import products, and as well as for supplier optimization. You can find new suppliers with better prices and quality products to increase your margins and improve customer satisfaction. You see, overall, it's going to make it really easy if you're in AliExpress to simply add to Deezers. It's going to allow you to check shipping information before you place the order. It's going to allow for supplier optimization, which I think is really cool. You can set shipping confirmations, supplier management, as well as edit the product details. So it's going to make it very easy to set up your store with AliExpress dropshipping. And overall, it's an affordable plan with a free plan here for bulk ordering, bulk mapping, as well as manage 3 stores with 3,000 products. And you're going to pay then by how many stores you're managing. So we can see 10 stores at 20,000 products, 25 stores at 70,000 products for $50 a month. Overall, an excellent rating here, 4.9 stars with over 8,400 5-star reviews. The next one to take a look at is Trendside Fashion Dropshipping. This is going to be if you're more of an apparel brand, so you can sell clothing here. Feeling great. This is going to be US fashion dropshipping. So if you're shipping from the US, you're going to have faster shipping times, as well as it's going to be easier to manage returns rather than dropshipping from AliExpress. So it allows for fast and free shipping and free returns from our US warehouses, allow you to carry off designer brands with quality trendy products. They're going to allow for custom packaging as well. So we can see example store here from Trendside. With all the different products, we can see quite a few brands and styles here, so you can add those to your store quite easily, create selling rules, compare ad prices, make it really easy to set up your fashion store in just a few minutes with products that are sourced already. So in terms of pricing, it's free to install and free to use. You're simply just going to pay when orders are fulfilled and the products are actually shipped out. So great if you're starting out, maybe you just want to test out to see if you can actually sell some products. Maybe you already have a small following somewhere. For something more apparel related, you can set up your store for US fashion dropshipping with Trendside quite easily. Next, we'll take a look at more generic dropshipping again, except you can be dropshipping US and EU products. Now, there is the option to use AliExpress as well, but it's great is you can filter for certain regions and it's like to dropship much faster. One of the biggest complaints with AliExpress dropshipping is that it can take 2 to 4 weeks for many different countries around the world for it to simply arrive. So shipping from a US, EU, Australia, or Brazil supplier is going to make that shipping time much faster and more satisfactory to the customer overall, as they're going to be receiving that product quickly. So if you're dropshipping from the US or EU products, you have 3 to 5 day shipping times. Shipping is going to be a little more expensive, but it can be worth it for the customer, especially depending on what you're selling. So Sprocket allows you to sell exclusively curated and highly discounted products for good profit margins here. Also allows you to create branded invoices using your own logo. So it's going to make it more official there. So when the customer receives their package, they're going to say, oh, this company actually created this product, or they're going to think that, and it's going to be a much more smooth customer experience. You can also chat directly with suppliers. You can access millions of fast shipping dropshipping products. So in pricing, they have a free plan and they're going to have paid plans as well. It's going to depend on the number of orders here. Plus you can get premium products and different branded invoices if you pay more per month. In terms of reviews here, it's a good rating with 4.6 stars with over 2,200 5-star reviews. Next, we'll take a look at CJ Dropshipping. CJ works really well if you're trying to scale your store here. So you can post product sourcing requests to CJ. So if you have a product that you know is selling well, you can use CJ to get sourcing requests. This will give you better prices and possibly better shipping times. CJ can also shoot videos for your winning products, so you can increase your ad campaigns. And they have US warehouses to dropship products directly from the US. So it's going to allow for faster shipping times. You get customization on the products. You're going to pay for it in CJ. You're going to get custom invoices from them as well. And I think the video tab is quite cool. Rather than you having to order the product, film the video yourself, if you can outsource to someone else, that can speed up the process. And so it's free to install, but you're simply going to be charged when orders are shipped out. It's got a really good rating here at 4.8 stars with 2,200 5-star reviews. Lastly, we'll take a look at a newer app here called DropShipMan Dropshipping Agent. Allows you to source high quality products, bulk import products, and allows for automated fulfillment and you can get 7 to 15 day shipping to the US and EU. So we have over 10 million products here with over 100 product categories covered. You can ship orders within 1 to 3 days as well for 7 to 15 day delivery in most areas. And so it's going to allow for free for finding products. So it's going to cost you 0 to send sourcing requests, and then 1 to 3 days to complete those requests. You can also bulk import it, and there's a plugin for AliExpress products into your Shopify store. You can also pay for orders in batch, which can really speed things up as well. This app has an excellent rating with over 500 5-star reviews and a 4.9 star rating here. So this concludes the video on the top dropshipping apps. We went over 5 different ways to bring dropshipping products to your Shopify store. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. Lastly, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc again, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store, and there's a link in the description to get access to a 15-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.